Junaid Nawaz, 30, has been charged with attempted murder and possession of a knife in a public place after a 17-year-old girl was seriously injured in Briarfield, Lancashire. Emergency services were called to Wood Street on June 12 following reports of an incident. Armed officers arrested Nawaz at the scene, and a police cordon was established while investigations continued. He is due to appear in court as inquiries into the circumstances of the attack proceed. A 31-year-old man has been arrested in connection with the murder of 19-year-old Ellis Cox, who was fatally shot in Liverpool 2 years ago. Ellis was killed on June 23, 2024, on the Liver Industrial Estate. He had been riding his bike with 4 others when they were approached by men on electric bikes. The arrested man is being held on suspicion of conspiracy to commit murder and remains in custody for questioning. Kyle Howard, 26, from Tweedale Street in Rochdale, has appeared at Manchester Crown Court accused of murdering 44-year-old Keely Aspinall. Keely was found dead at a flat on the freehold estate in Rochdale on May 25. Howard appeared before the court on June 4 as proceedings in the case continued. The allegation remains before the court, and further hearings are expected as the case moves through the legal process. David Jack has pleaded guilty to murdering Paul Anderson, described by loved ones as a precious dad, more than 12 years after he was jailed for a previous killing. Jack was sentenced in 2013 for killing Rampasword Ramnarine, 53, in Oldham. Ramnarine had known Jack for 15 years and had been best man at his wedding. The latest guilty plea confirms Jack's responsibility for Anderson's death, with sentencing expected through the court process. A CCTV appeal has been issued after a woman was left shaken by an incident in a playing field in Congleton, Cheshire. The woman was sitting in a field on Back Lane on May 27 when a man behaved indecently in front of her. She left the area after the incident. The man police want to speak to is described as being in his 20s or 30s and was riding a black mountain bike. An inquest has opened into the death of 22-year-old Shogar Rasul Hama from Blackburn, who died at Wythenshawe Hospital in Manchester on May 23. The hospital includes a specialist burns unit, where she was treated after suffering severe injuries in a self-inflicted incident. During a brief hearing at Preston Coroner's Court, Area Coroner Kate Bissett confirmed the early circumstances of the case. Further details are expected to be examined as the inquest process continues. An inquest has opened into the death of 22-year-old Shogar Rasul Hama from Blackburn, who died at Wythenshawe Hospital in Manchester on May 23. The hospital includes a specialist burns unit, where she was treated after suffering severe injuries in a self-inflicted incident. During a brief hearing at Preston Coroner's Court, Area Coroner Kate Bissett confirmed the early circumstances of the case. Further details are expected to be examined as the inquest process continues.